Hello friends, today we learn how to make simple hatching egg incubator easy at home. For making this project we need some components. W1209 digital thermostat temperature controller, 60 watt bulb, bulb holder, plug, brand, some wire, 12 volt charger, and one box. Now start to make. Adjust temperature controller on box. Now connect power cable on temperature controller. Now cut power wire and connect bulb holder. Now connect bulb and adjust it on box. Like this. Now connect 12 volt charger on temperature controller. Now connect temperature sensor. Now put some bran on box. And finally put eggs on box. I adjust it when box temperature less than 37 degrees then light automatic on. And when box temperature cross 37.5 degrees then light auto off. Project is ready for test. You can see when box temperature cross 37.5 degrees then light auto off. And when box temperature less than 37 degrees then light automatic on. See you after 21 days. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos so please tell in comments. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.